Hi, this is Nick Lightbody at DeskSpace. I'm going to show you how to change the logos on your website if you are creating and managing your website with deskspaceCMS. Currently I'm looking at the index page of deskspace.com, and on the left is the content of the page. That's the textual content that defines the whole of the contents of the page, as its appearance is controlled by the theme. On the right of the screen you can see the rendered outcome. This is within the app, within the web viewer part of the app. If I click on the globe here, you can see the live page on the web. It's the same thing. However, we've currently got a red logo here which I don't like particularly. Red on blue is not perfect. You get some odd shadowing appearing. It's some sort of optical illusion, I guess. Anyway, let's try an orange logo instead. I said logo, but in fact there are two logos. If we go narrower on the page, you can see that when we get to a certain media breakpoint, you see we get a small logo, suitable for going down really small without the logo impinging on the top menu items. So we've actually got two logos to change here. So let's open up our settings here, go to web server. So down here we've got the paths to the two logos currently being used. Logo 1, the small logo, file, and below that logo 2, the large one. And then here are the settings. This is, if you click outside it or remove it, you get the thing. It's top, so it's top, left and width for the first logo, and then top, left and width for the second. So you control the logo size by controlling the width. When you're setting this up, you can click the rebuild page button here and just see how the logo now looks. So for example, if I make that right hand bigger logo bigger like that, I get that. Okay, simple and visual, easy to see. Let's take that back to 175, which was our original. Okay, we need to take a look at our images on the website. We've just uploaded a couple. So I'm using Fetch here. This is a FTP app I've been using since about 1998, I guess. And here's the two logos we're going to use. So let's just copy the name of that to make sure we get it exactly right. So this is the small one. This is 99 pixels wide. And let's put that into that space there. You can see it's on the web server, in images, logo name. And let's do the same for the second one, which is 350 wide. Could maybe be a bit smaller than that. Maybe optimizing it, should resize it, make it a bit smaller, but for the moment that's what we're going to use. Okay, so we've put in those links in here. Let's rebuild the page, see what happens. Okay, so now we've got an orange logo there. Let's go down small. We've got an orange one there, and to my eyes on my screen, I think that looks a little bit better than red. So we'll try that for a while. So what we've done is we've put two logos. We've prepared our logos, obviously. We've optimized them as well. Very important to remember to do that. We use this little wonderful app, Image Optim. You can see when I did these a few minutes ago that the optimization reduced the size of both of those PNGs by almost 50%. Remember, a logo has to be a PNG because a PNG does transparency, and obviously you need transparency for a logo. That's why logos are always PNG. Most normal images are going to be a JPEG, which is a lot smaller, but JPEG doesn't do transparency, at least not when I've tried it. So there's the two logos we prepared. We made them the right size. We've compressed them or optimized them with Image Optimizer. We've uploaded them into our images folder on our web server with fetch, but you can do it by whatever means you want. And I'm just going to move that out of the way now. And we've left the settings, the positioning settings, exactly the same, and that means we get the same result as we had before, but in a different color. So let's now update the whole site. So we'll close our settings here, and let's update the whole site. That means that those logos will be on every single page of our site. Okay, and our upload has completed. Let's click back in here and take a look at the site itself. So there's that page. Yeah, they look as we would expect. Let's go and look at it on a browser. Okay, so we've looked at how we can change the logo on a DeskSpaceCMS managed website. Thanks for listening.